This is the new Amptron 200 Ah battery. As you can see, it is quite small compared to the size of the 200 Ah batteries that we used to get before. This is tiny. It's not a slim line, but it is almost the same size as a 100 Ah. So most places where you were able to fit a 100 Ah battery before, you can now fit a 200 Ah battery. This has also got a 175 amp maximum current BMS, which is really handy because it will do 175 amps continuous. You can run a 2000 watt inverter off it. In a rush, so for a really short period of time, you can have loads of about 300 amps running out of this, but we're talking milliseconds here, just to start a big inductive load. So really handy, especially if you want to fit batteries to your caravan, where you usually get 100 amp hour AGM batteries. You should now be able to replace them with this 200 amp hour battery from Amptron. They still got all the same safety features as all the other Amptron batteries. So we got over voltage and under voltage protection. We've also got over temperature protection, and we've got overload protection. All built into this battery. All you need to do is connect positive and negative, fuse it, and then connect all your accessories to it. If you want any more info, please see the link below. Click on it, you'll get straight to our website where you can find more info. You will also find all the chargers that you need, and yeah, build your system from there. Thank you very much for watching.